Good morning, it's me Kelvin and from Now and Search, and thank you for joining. So today I will need to set up my trading platform first. Okay, so thank you for joining in. So today, right now, I'm going to look into Hang Seng Index. So let's see. Overall, yesterday before the market opened, actually, the future actually doesn't move that much. It's only like moving only 107 of the price movement. So we can expect that 107 is the point where they will have a pivot. So right now we can see Hang Seng Index is going up and down, up and down. Nothing much of a very drastic direction is going on. But if we look into the price movement, today the major Hang Seng Index, a lot of the more losers than gainer, and those that is in a very heavyweight to the Hang Seng Index are mainly Tencent and also Alibaba. They are at the loser side. So what we can do is usually when I look into this, then I need to check their price movement. But in the past few days, we can see there are flow of volume going into this Hang Seng, to some of these stocks. Tencent is going down today. The volume wise, a lot of seller is going or is in the market, and then Alibaba wise, same thing also. There's a lot of seller is going on, so we might see Hang Seng Index could be going down today. But of course, I need to find a point to do an exit, do an entry. But even though they are having their flows are coming in, their funds are coming into these stocks, so we need to check further. The heavyweight are mainly Tencent, Alibaba, these two of this. So this is how I look at it if I want to trade Hang Seng Index. And maybe some of you, if you're using structure warrant, then it's a bit hard for you to look at the way I look at it, because it's not too responsive. The what you call it, the structure warrant is less sensitive than the... Okay, what happened? Yeah, structure warrant is less sensitive. So that's why if you're going in for day trading, then it's very it doesn't mean that you cannot, but you can only make not much of the profit out from it. So I need to select the right one. So if I'm using CBBC to do the trades, okay, CBBC is callable bull or bear contract. So what I'm looking at, this list over here are the types of CBBC. So one thing I'm very particular of on the strike price, because strike price CBBC is about the same as structure warrant. They have maturity dates and all, but wait, I need to choose first. The main thing is that it will get knocked off if, let's say, it hit the strike price. Hang Seng Index hit the strike price. So I need to make sure that there is a buffer of price, okay, of Hang Seng Index, so it doesn't get knocked off very easily. Then of course the outstanding amount, how much is the outstanding amount and stuff, all those, and conversion rate. So make sure the conversion rate, everything is okay. Then okay. So I'm basically logged on to one of this, but this one, the outstanding is 15%. That's too much. Because if let's say there's outstanding is 15%, means that there are a lot more retail or this contract are sold or holding by the retail investors. If let's say if it's holding by the retail investors, then the price movement wise is less sensitive. No, not to say less sensitive. Is more towards the what you call it, the market demand and supply. Okay, it's highly affected by the demand and supply of the market. So if we are looking into that, then is the pricing wise is not that great. So I need to choose something that is less. Let's say this JP here, HSI. So I need to check. So usually I don't enter into any trade at this moment first. What I'll do is JP hash SSI RC. No, I don't want RC. RP 2602A. Would JP Morgan didn't put out their... Can I check from here? No, cannot. Okay, so in that case, I don't want to select those from JP Morgan. As 8% is also a bit at the high side. I don't really like it. So if you want to open an account, go to the left side, then you can see there's a what call it? There's a scan. There's a QR code. So once you open a trading account with me, then you will receive my sharing on this CBBC when for entry and exit and all. I hate it when you get this much for 3. Let's see, this one movement is like this. If let's say 15%, movement is like this. But this one outstanding is too much. I don't want the outstanding that is too much. 8% is still a lot. So we don't see any set of price here at the moment. It's marking up higher. Let's see. Overall, the Hang Seng Index component stocks, most of them are down. Understanding the market sentiment is very important. Because the big boys, what they want to do, we need to follow them. Try not to go against these big boys, all right? Basically, today is the 10 cent and also the what? I need to choose one. JP Morgan. This one call. This one don't have. Maybe JP Morgan doesn't show up for that. Those with the hash, then HSI are the... Even though most of them, they are in a bearish, but just worried that suddenly they'll bounce back up. Wait, how far are they from the opening? From 3433. This is down 1.23%. So it's very high chance that they will mark the price up. Get down, push up, get down, push up, get down, push up. This is something that I've seen before. So if you want to understand more about CBBC, I've done the video before, so you can have a look, take a look into it. Should I go in for this? Put contract outstanding. UB. Hey, UB is this. Okay, understand. Other region, agree. UB 67652. Funding cost outstanding 15.87. That's a lot. I'm analyzing the price movement. Price movement like this usually is waiting for something. What are they waiting for? Wait. All right, I am going for a put, so this will be it. Okay. Usually what I do is this much. So you can see the price per trade is not that much. And this is in Hong Kong dollar. 2000 is in Hong Kong dollar. So in ringgit is about 1000 plus. Yeah, one thing about Alibaba is, okay, what I'm gonna do is that I let the price hit the yesterday price movement first, if they can. Because right now it doesn't set a trend. If I enter right now, then it will be too risky. Let's wait. Okay, while waiting, if you have any questions you want to know about day trading using the Hang Seng Index, and also you can leave a comment here. And of course, if let's say you want to open a trading account and you want to follow how I read this Hang Seng Index without any cost, but of course there will be slightly higher brokerage fees out from there. So go to scan the QR code on the left side to find out, okay, to open a trading account. And just to make sure, when you open a trading account, make sure that it's a MTUO, okay, MTUO, all right. Make sure is the invitation code is MTUO. or else then you'll fall under others. Someone will be taking care of you. Let me do some checking. Okay, so it's set. Put is this, put is this. Don't want to do this one now. Let's see whether this is anything that is okay. All right, let's move. This is a put contract. So which means that the Hang Seng Index, I'm going into Hang Seng Index that if they are going down, then I am going to make profit. So it seems like it's very, oh my, cost is a bit at the high side for me. This, so I think this one 100 plus, I don't think it's going to have any works here today. I think overall market for Hang Seng Index is going all the way down. Right, so this is how we enter into a trade. At the moment, we have about 50. So if you open a trading account right now with me, you get a chance to have the to get free shares. So you can see the free share is already put into my list here. You can see this one got Manchester United. All right. So, and also at the same time, you will get the free quotes. So you can see there's a free quotes over here, Hong Kong quotes. So usage. So once I redeem this, then you'll find that I have the free quotes here right now. Okay, so you can see the free quotes is floating here. Okay, so right now we have Man United is in $24, so about $80 here. Oh no! Damn, I forgot to share. What are we looking at? It's a bit too far to ask them to share it out. $80 over point. Let's wait for them to have a rebound first. So after the rebound, then only I share out. So now it's too far. So it bounced back up slightly higher. But overall, nothing has changed at the moment. Alibaba and Tencent is still the heavyweight of today. In seconds. $13, 12 seconds. Okay, it's going to have a continuation of price down here. $940. If this one going down another 80, then just now when we bought somewhere here, still 4.5. So right now at here, still 4.5. That's why outstanding one are always not so great. Doesn't make sense. Let's wait and see. I think what I'll do is I'll just open this position up until the end of the day. Okay, so as you can see right now it's 4.5 and the entry price of this bear contract. So if let's say you want to find out more about the outcome of it, then stay tuned. Okay, follow our Facebook page, follow our Instagram, and most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can find out more about our upcoming live stream, and also find out more about this how to trade Hang Seng Index for day trade. Okay, so if you want to follow us, go to the scan the QR code here, or maybe go to the description box below. In this video below, there is a link for account opening, so go check it out. Okay, so you will be added once account open, and then you fund in, you get the free shares. Then I will add you into our broadcast list so that you can find you can look into you will receive, okay, some of my sharing about Hang Seng Index trade here. Okay, all right, so thank you very much. I'll see you guys again next week, or maybe later on when I show it to you guys. Okay, so this is how we analyze the Hang Seng Index here, and how we start trading and using CBBC. All right, so thank you and see you guys. Goodbye. Happy trading.
Wrong and search. True traders to the market.